So I'm going to finish this lecture by going through three last example 7, 8, and 9. So in example 7, I want to write the equation of the line containing the point 1 comma negative 2 and is perpendicular to the line x plus 3y equal to 6. So this example is very similar to example 6, right? So what we need to do at this point is to turn the given line from the standard form, from the general form into the slope intercept form so you can extract the information about the slope of the line. Okay, so given that x plus 3y equal to 6, you're going to move x to the right-hand side. Therefore, you get 3y equal to negative x plus 6. And to solve for y by itself, what you do is you divide both sides for 3. Therefore, you get y equal to negative 1/3 x plus 6 divided by 3. Or this is negative 1/3 x plus 2. Okay. So what we now have is the slope of the given line, right? So the slope of the given line is negative 1/3. To find the equation of the line containing the point 1, negative 2, what you do is you want to find the slope first, right? So I'm going to consider the line of the form y minus y0 equal to m times x minus x0. This equation right here is the slope, is the point slope form. Okay, so since the line that you're looking for is perpendicular to the given line right here, that means that the product of the two slopes need to be equal to -1. So let's say m is the slope of the line that you are looking for, multiply with the slope of the line that is perpendicular to, the product is equal to -1. Okay, now to find the value of m, you multiply both sides by -3. So here you do -3 here, -3. So -3 times -1/3 become +1. And on the right-hand side, you have -1 times -3 become +3. So m equal to 3 is the slope of the line that you are looking for. All right. Next step is to find the equation of the line. Again, we're going to start with the point slope form. Point slope form. So in this form, you utilize the point 1 comma -2 and the slope m equal to 3 to write the equations of the line. Okay. And this is in fact the equation of the line. Okay, given that y0 is equal to -2 and x0 is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the line. There's no further instructions in saying that you need to convert this into the slope intercept form or not. So this should be the final answer. Now, in example 8, you want to find the equation of the line going through the point 0, 0, and is parallel to the line through the point 9 comma -3 and -3 comma 6. And when you find your answer should be written in the slope intercept form. Okay. So what we need to do first is that we need to find the slope of the line going through the 2 points 9 comma -3 and -3 comma 6, because the line that going through 0, 0 is parallel to this line going through 9 comma -3 and -3 comma 6. All right, so there's two slope. We know that the two lines are parallel when the two slopes are equal and the y-intercepts are different. Okay, so first we're going to find the slope. So this should be slope of the line connecting 9 comma -3 and -3 comma 6. So the slope of the line is calculated as, you can see using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? So on the numerator, you get +9, and in the denominator, you get -12. Now you simplify this fractions, you're going to get -3/4. The next step is to find the equation of the line going through the point 0, 0. Now remember from the given problem, you know that the two lines are parallel, so therefore the slope is going to be the same. So the slope of the line going through 0, 0 is the same as the slope of the line going through these 2 points. Right, so therefore M, is what we're looking for, is equal to M2, that's what we calculate over here, and equal to negative 3/4. Okay. Then the equation of the lines is, right, so in this case, the line is the line going through the point 0, 0. Okay. Again, you're going to start with the Poiseuille form. It's of the form y minus y0 equal to m times x minus x0. Given that x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 as well. So you substitute into the formula, and the slope is equal to negative 3/4. So this is what you get. All right. So now if you simplify the problem, you get y equal to negative 3/4 times x, and it is turned out to be the slope-intercept form as well. And this is the equation of the line that's going through the point 0, 0, and is parallel to the line that going through 9, negative 3, and negative 3, 6. Okay. Now, in the last example, you want to find the equation of the line going through the point 3, 4, and is perpendicular to the line through the 2 points, negative 3, 1, and 5, negative 1. Very similar to the last example, the first thing that you need to do is to find the slope of the line connecting the 2 points, negative 3, 1, and 5, negative 1. Okay. When you find the slope of this line, you can use the information to calculate the slope of the line going through the point 3, 4, because the line going through 3, 4 is perpendicular to the line through these 2 points. Okay. So now the slope of the line connecting this 2 points, negative 3, 1, and 5, negative 1, can be calculated as, so the slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the numerator give you negative 2, and the denominator give you positive 8. And if you simplify this equation, you get, or simplify these fractions, you get negative 1/4 for the slope. Okay. The next thing that we need to do is to find the slope. At the end, ultimately, you want to find the equation of the line going through 3/4, right? And is perpendicular to the line going through these 2 points. Now, you know the slope of the line going through these 2 points. Okay. You can use this information to calculate the slope of the line going through 3/4 and parallel to the line through negative 3, 1, and 5, negative 1. So that is the product of the two slopes have to be equal to negative 1. Okay. And to solve for m, what you do is you multiply both sides for negative 4. And on the left-hand side, you get m by itself. And on the right-hand side, you get negative 1 times negative 4. And it gives you positive 4. With the slope and with the point 3, 4, you substitute into the Poiseuille form to find the representations of the line or to find the equation of the line. So that is the Poiseuille form is y minus y0 times equal to m times x minus x0, given that x0 is equal to 3, y0 is equal to 4, and the slope is also equal to 4. Now, the requirement of the problem is that for your answer, you need to turn this equation into the slope-intercept form. So what you do is you can solve for y by itself. And that is, you move negative 4 to the right-hand side. It's give you positive 4. And this 4 right here, you distribute into the parentheses. You get 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times -3 is -12. Okay. And on the right-hand side, you combine like terms and you get, well, the final answer is y equal to 4x minus 8. Okay, and that is the equation of the line going through 3, 4, and is perpendicular to the line through the 2 points, -3, 1, and 5, -1. And the equation of the line is in the slope-intercept form. And that's it for me in this lecture. Please let me know if you have any questions.